Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you would like to see how I got this super quick, super easy, no makeup look, then keep watching. So I'm starting with a fresh face. I've already washed my face and done all of that, make sure it was nice and clean. So I always like to wash my face before I do any makeup just to prep it. And I also like to tie my hair back because I don't like hair getting all in my face and all in my way and all in my makeup. Not a good look. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie that back, and now we good and ready to go. So I'm gonna take my Milani Concealer and I'm just going to apply that around like my T-zone area. So just kind of under my eyes, on my nose, and also on any places on my face where I have any dark spots or blemishes. So for this routine, I will only be using concealer. I will not be using any foundation or anything, just because this is supposed to be like a natural, simple, clean look, and I felt like it wasn't really a need for me to use foundation. If you're a person that has a problem with acne or just a lot of dark spots, I would use foundation just to give you more coverage, but for my purposes, I didn't really need all that, so I'm just going to take my concealer and do what I can with that because I want this look to look as natural as it can. And I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend in all of that concealer, and I'm also going to make sure to hit up those eyelids just because it kind of brightens my face and my eyes a little bit. And just a little side note, for this Milani to be considered like a drugstore makeup product, it's really bomb. Like, the concealer, as you can see, gives me a lot of coverage, and also the foundation is like a concealer foundation, and it gives me a lot of coverage as well. So if you're looking for like an affordable concealer or foundation, check out Milani because they definitely have the goods. Look at that coverage, honey. Yes. And this ain't even sponsored, but I just got to give a shout out. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline Loose Powder in the shade medium, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes just to kind of set that concealer under my eyes and make sure everything is set in place. If you're not really going to do anything like too strenuous during the day, I wouldn't worry about putting any setting powder on, but I was going to be wearing this makeup for lunch, dinner, to go out, so I just put some setting powder on just to make sure that my eyes didn't get any creases and my makeup was set for the whole night. And so once I put that setting powder on, I'm just going to take a brush and lightly brush that powder away. So now for my favorite part, the eyebrows. I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil and my spoolie that's all broken up, don't judge. And I'm just going to kind of use that spoolie to groom my eyebrows. And then I'm going to take my pencil and I'm just going to outline my eyebrows. I'm not going to do too much. I don't need like an extra look. Like I said, this is a simple, natural, everyday, no makeup look. So I'm just going to take my pencil and just kind of outline my brows as you see in this clip, and then I'm just going to start from the back and just kind of fill in my brows wherever the hair is a little thin. Also, a little side note, when I'm doing that fill-in at the top, I don't go all the way to the front of my brow. I stop a little bit before. And then I'm just going to take my spoolie and just blend that pencil in with my brows just to give it more of a natural look. And I also, when doing this, I like to brush my eyebrows the direction that they go. But then in that front part, I like to brush my eyebrows up. and then kind of slant it to the back, if that makes sense, just to give it more of a natural look. And then I'm just going to repeat the exact same steps on my other eyebrow. So if you've seen my usual eyebrow tutorial, you would know that usually I fill in my brows and then I go in with a concealer, a lighter concealer on the bottom, and then a concealer that matches my shade on the top. But for the purposes of this video, since I am going for a natural no makeup look, I'm just going to fill my eyebrows in just to give them more of that natural look and not so groomed and dramatic like that concealer gives, because that concealer, honey, will clean your eyebrows. Look, you can make some eyebrows. It's build a brow with that stuff. Like, it literally works magic. But I'm just going to take my spoolie again and groom my brows, grooming them in the direction that they go, and then grooming them up and over to give me a little bit of that natural something. So now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and I'm just going to apply that to my highlighting areas. I'm going to apply that to this area that I'm applying it on now. I don't really know what to call that, but that area. And then I'm also going to apply some highlighter on the tip of my nose, just to kind of give my nose a little glow, and also the bridge, and then also on my forehead, just to give my forehead a little shine. You know, when that sun hit, we want a little shimmer. So now I'm going to take my bigger blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend that highlighter in. Usually when I do my highlighter, it just kind of forms a line. So I like to take that bigger brush and just kind of do circular motions just to kind of blend it and give it more of a natural look. And I'm going to do that on my nose and on my forehead as well. And look at that glow, baby. Yes. Ooh, come through Wet n Wild with the highlighter for the low. Yes, honey. So now I'm going to take my Sun and Bronze powder, and I'm just going to use that as kind of like my contour, and also just to apply to my eyelids. I don't really want any eyeshadow. I kind of just want my eyelids to be like my skin color. So I'm just going to put that bronzing powder on the top of my eyelids, and then, as I said, on my contour areas, so on my cheekbones, and also on my forehead hairline area. So now it's time to move on to the lashes. I'm going to use my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and this mascara is awesome. Like, I've been literally using this since middle school, but it's never let me down. Like, it always does wonders for my natural lashes, and it doesn't leave my lashes like clumped together, and it gives my lashes like volume and definition. So I love this stuff. So I'm just going to apply that to my top and bottom lashes, and I'm going to go over my lashes 2 to 3 times just to give my lashes more definition and make them stand out more. I found that if I apply the mascara just once, it doesn't really like make my lashes pop, but that second or third time, you might think I got on some fake lashes. That's how good they look. So I'm just going to apply the mascara, like I said, to my top and bottom lashes 2 to 3 times. And the last and final step will be my lips, and I'm just going to take this lip gloss. I believe it's just the Covergirl lip gloss, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. And I love this lip gloss. It's kind of like a bronze, goldish, shimmery color, and it really just kind of goes well with that natural look. And this is the final look. I love this look. It's absolutely my go-to. Just a natural, clean look. It looks like I don't really have on any makeup, and that's why I love it so much. I don't like putting a whole bunch of makeup on my face, so this makeup routine is definitely my go-to when I just want something clean and natural and easy. And now I'm gonna take my hair down to get the full effect. So I hope you all like this video, and I hope you enjoy this look. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and comment below what you think about this routine, and I will see y'all in my next video. Deuces, beauties.